Located on Flushing Valley Country Club with a view to the river, this updated English Tudor boasts 3 large bedrooms, 3 full tile baths, den library, finished basement, open floor plan, 4-car drive-thru garage, indoor 6-person hot tub, Cedar sauna room west/shower, in-ground pool west/new fence, liner, cover and water heater. 18. Vaulted ceiling, living room, formal dining room west/bay window, followed by a newly remodeled kitchen with brand new KitchenAid stainless steel downdraft stove, sub-zero refrigerator and low-noise dishwasher, as well as premium granite countertops, maple custom-built cabinets, hardwood floors refinished in 2017. First floor laundry. Spacious master bedroom with walk-in closet, DBL sink, jacuzzi and shower. Second bedroom west/balcony overlooking the pool and backyard. Roxy the parrot will greet you, bay window and huge third bedroom. This home has dimmer light.